I got served in the worst way.
I don't know that young man's name, but we're about to go have a talk with his manager. Man, can I talk to your manager? I wanted to talk to you real quick.
Yes, sir.
This young man with the hood,
Uh-huh.
he's a great kid, but I wanted to tell you, the other night, I needed change for 100. Someone had bought something from me, and all the stores were closed. It was on New Year's,
Uh-huh.
but you guys were open, and I came in, and I told him that I needed an orange juice because my sugar was low, hoping that he would let me buy an orange juice with $100 bill. And he did, except he wouldn't let me pay for it because he was so worried about my health. He opened up, he gave it to me, I insisted. So I owe you guys an orange juice.
Oh, okay.
But I also want to tell you that you have an awesome young man there. And even that night when I was leaving, he was like, "Are you good? Do you need anything else?"
Okay.
So anyway, I just wanted to give you a heads up.
All right. Thank you. Thank you for letting me know.
Yeah, you got a solid guy, so.
All right, cool.
All right, man.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, thanks. All right, so I didn't get the change that I wanted, but I got the lesson I needed. And the best part was when they were sitting there watching me while I'm shamefully drinking the stolen orange juice so they won't know that I was lying. We got good kids out there.